Hey everybody, it's Craig. We got another nice rare one here. This is a 4320 John Deere diesel. As you can see, it's had some more or less nice finish work done to it. The hood obviously hasn't been repainted or anything like that. We got like new battery box covers have been painted, new seat. The fenders have been repainted. They are absolutely straight. Both of them are, guys. The hood is in excellent condition. Of course, added on the steps here. Those are those K&M steps. All new rubber all around. Got the 10-16s on the front. You can see still has all the nipples, everything on it. Same story on the rears. We got the big Firestones, and these are a 480 80R38. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Another really nice tractor. This one has dual PTO. It's got the 1000 and the 540. Upgraded LED lights. This has the heavy duty inner weights. Those are BW 715s. Again, fenders are in excellent shape. Tin work is very nice. All new rubber again, guys. The odometer only shows 90, or the hour meter shows 90 hours on it. That's kind of when that's since Doug has done all the work to this. Obviously, they put in a new gauge cluster up there. So you can see the gauges, everything are like new that way. Synchro range transmission. Next video, we'll fire it up for you.